Hello to all. My name is Julio. I am a plant pathologist and a wheat breeder. I have been working for the Mexican National Research Institute, INIFAP, since 1977 at various experimental stations. It is a privilege to introduce you my working team, which has been responsible for releasing wheat varieties in Mexico over the last 2 decades. Héctor Eduardo Villaseñor Mir, Lalo. Lalo is the national coordinator for the Mexican wheat program, initially responsible for breeding wheat for rain-fed conditions. He is now also responsible for varieties suited for irrigated zones. René Hortelano Santa Rosa. Working closely with Lalo, René is the wheat breeder whose role includes the preparation and analysis of the national yield trials planted at different locations under both rain-fed and irrigated conditions. Flor Rodriguez Garcia. Flor is the plant pathologist who oversees the rust trap nurseries and has plenty of experience working with foliar wheat diseases. Eliel Martinez Cruz. Don Eliel was trained as a wheat breeder, but currently he is our wheat quality specialist. No wheat variety can be released without his approval. Lalo, René, Flor, Eliel, and I are all based at the CEBAMEX Mexico State Experimental Station. Ernesto Solis Moya. Located in Guanajuato State, Solis is the wheat breeder who has the responsibility for identifying some wheat with high protein. That's it, soft enough to use in blending with high W value wheats rather than the typical soft wheat used in cookie production. Ivan Alvarado Padilla. Ivan is the wheat breeder responsible for releasing wheat varieties for northwestern Mexico, mainly for irrigated conditions. Ivan is in Mexicali, Baja California, which is a very high yield potential irrigated zone free of cardinal bunt. He is our key breeder responsible for multiplying seed. In Mexico, since the 1940s, the emphasis has been placed on genes that confer partial resistance in the adult plant stage against a broad spectrum of rust races. One example of gene stewardship is the SR2 stem rust resistant complex that is maintained in the current Mexican wheat, which provides resistance against stem rust disease. Another example is the identification and maintenance of the pleiotropic slow rust resistant genes LR34, LR46, LR67, and LR68, alone or in different combinations, present in varieties released between 1948 and the present. These slow roasting genes associated with the leaf tip necrosis are the backbone of the resistance in the current Mexican germplasm. Other slow roasting genes not yet cataloged exist and interact with the known ones and the race-specific resistant genes, now present in the Mexican varieties, keep the disease levels to a minimum. No stem rust disease has been found in farmers' wheat fields in Mexico since 1960. What inspires me and my team to keep going? Seeing the released varieties in farmers' field. The evolution of new rust races remind us that rust never sleeps. So it is a continuous challenge to find and incorporate new sources of resistance in the new varieties. Thank you very much y muchas gracias.